good morning, good evening, good day, wherever you are. Welcome. This is Barbara Bakes and I'm Barbara. Today we're making vegan oatmeal cookies. As usual, I'm adding a little twist. I'm going to add some coconut to mine. You can add chocolate chips, raisins, cranberry, whatever you like. You'll love the taste, whether you're vegan or not vegan. So grab your laptops, your recipe books, your notepads, wherever you keep your recipes, and let's bake. We're going to start off by creaming our vegan butter with our brown sugar. Now, as you can see, it's nice and light in colour, and it's getting light and fluffy. Scrape down so that all the bits on the side are incorporated. And just whisk for another maybe 2 minutes. And of course you can do this by hand. It will take you a little bit longer. So once you've creamed your butter and your sugar, add your vanilla and your golden syrup. And just a little tip with the golden syrup, if you grease your container, whether that's a jug or a bowl, before you add your golden syrup, it will come out nice and easily. Mine's been standing for a while in the cold, so it's taken a little bit longer. We're going to mix that together and then we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we have our dry ingredients here. This is our rolled oats, desiccated coconut, plain flour. So in goes the flour, in goes the coconut, in goes the bicarb, the sea salt and the mixed spice. Give those a quick stir together. Might be an idea if you use a bigger bowl. And we're going to add that to the butter and sugar mixture that we did earlier. And we're going to give that a good old mix. It's really important when you are making these cookies that your butter is soft in the beginning so that it creams nice and easily and all the dry ingredients blend together smoothly as well. Just take some in your hands, and if it feels really dry and it's not holding together, this is where you add your soy milk. This kind of feels okay. I've got a tablespoon of soy milk there, and I'm just going to pour in half of that because I don't want it too wet. And with a further mix, I think that's going to be good to go. And we're going to roll these by hand, pop them on the tray and put them straight in the oven. All I'm going to do with these is just give it a little roll. Doesn't have to be perfect, and pop that on my baking sheet. Now these are ready for the oven. So these are going into a 350 Fahrenheit oven, 180 Celsius, gas mark 4. And if you have a fan oven, that's 160 Celsius. As I said, a nice easy recipe for you to follow. If you like that recipe, why don't you subscribe to the channel? And don't forget to like and of course share with your friends and family. Why not put a comment in the box below? Let me know what you thought about the recipe. Did you make it? How did it come out? Did you add your own twist to it? I added coconut. You could add, like I said, chocolate chips or some fruit, even nuts. Let me know how you got on. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.